Oh my gosh.
What the fuck?
What are you doing, Landon? What the hell? Row number 7. Where's the Beamer board? Oh, bitches. They stole my fucking shit. I need this whole piece though. I'm gonna come back with a saw. Come back with a saw and saw it off. Yeah. But it has everything. Has everything I need.
All the clips and everything?
Yeah. All the plastic and shit. Let's go to the other one. This is a row 8. Oh, this is row 9. Is it row 9?
What the fuck?
Yeah. Crazy.
That's not heavy.
Oh yeah, look at the little header. Oh, here it is. Money. Sheesh. Can you get under there? There you go.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, hell yeah. I should probably take those too.
Yeah, take these little tabs.
If I can.
Maybe they push out from the bottom?
I don't know.
Oh,
they're in there.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hell yeah,
Thank you. Thank you, Barber. Thank you, Barber. Oh, I need these. Look. They have them already, dude. I shouldn't have ordered them. Fuck.
Damn.
Damn. And it has my bracket.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Wow. What the hell? So right now, I got the BMW draining. We got the oil draining right now. As soon as my boy Dre comes over, he brings me some stands. I'm gonna put it on some stands so we can get started on the tranny. Got her Lincoln right there. I'm gonna take the filter off. See how this puppy's looking? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? That is so bad.
You tripping, bro. You tripping.
That is black. They probably never changed this fucking filter in its life. Wow. I mean, that's fucking crazy. So I got the new filter, new fluid. Here's the new one. A little comparison. Now we'll put the new O-ring on there. I'll make sure she's nice and tight.
What do you mean by that?
I'm gonna try to get to the transmission today. I'm gonna try to knock out the oil. I'm gonna try to knock out the brake fluid because the brake fluid also needs to be changed. And then I need to reprogram the DME in here. Because somebody tried to tune it, or somebody tried to program it and it didn't go good, so it locked up and went into limp mode, and I got these 3 codes that are causing a fuss. But overall, very nice. Very nice. Very nice, brother. Very nice. We ain't worried about you anymore. Oil pan was all dripped up. There is a leak, gotta find it. Or maybe they just fucking spilt it all over the place, because by the looks of it, somebody didn't know how to put any oil in. We'll see what happens. Des got coilovers. I gotta readjust the rears, I think. I gotta readjust the spanner on the rears or the fronts, because it's bouncing a little bit, and the stiffs is front, so I mean the fronts are stiffs. The fronts are stiff, so I'm thinking maybe the rear just needs to be.
Have you ever had a dream that you once
Raised or lowered a little bit, but we'll see. Picked up this puppy from Harbor, from the HF. I'm gonna use it for the tranny. Had to get an oil filter wrench because I left all my tools at work. Power steering's a little fucking messy. But yeah, I'll get back with you. So just a quick comparison. I got the new one right here. Look at that. This thing has just effed up, dude. The insides are all shredded. This has got to be OE or straight from the factory, like. That's just amazing how they didn't have any problems, or I'm pretty sure they did have problems, because that's probably why it's leaking somewhere. But just a quick size comparison.
The following Thursday.
Ooh. Okay.
What the fuck?
What are you doing, Landon?
What is this doing here? What is going on?
That's crazy, dude. And it's such a it's such a badass truck, dude. We're programming the Beamer. We got all the fucking lights in the world turned off. There was a brake light, 4x4, all kinds of other ones. We just filled up the tranny. We got a couple of dash lights, I guess. Some radio lights. We got it all fucking cleaned up, ready to fucking get a window in here. Got the tranny filled up. We'll get right back with ya, boys.
Infections and liver problems may occur.
One is successful. The lights came back. They're getting it back in blood. We'll see what happens. So right now we got the glass getting vacuumed out. The window was broken. We're gonna get it vacuumed down, then we're gonna take care of the 4x4 all-wheel drive message on the dash. So we got the glass. Here she is in all her glory. And there's my previous one. If my dogs shut up. This was my glass supposed to be. As you can see, glass is not supposed to fold like that. And I'm pretty sure I just got glass in my fucking hand. Or it's fiberglass from work. But that was the original one I got from eBay. Now we're gonna bust this one open, throw her in there. Hopefully it has the brackets for the window mount, or the brackets for the window. Those. And I also got some new side markers. Side marker on that side. Need to fix the bumper still, but she's holding up strong. back with you. Now we'll just vacuum out this baby.
(7:59 a.m.)
Here it is. I'm at work. We got the window put in. Look at that baby, brand spanking new. Yeah, she looks beautiful. Got it tinted. It came tinted. She's running nice. Got some of them valve caps. We gotta lift this baby up. There's a nut stuck on the slave cylinder by the tranny, so we're gonna get started on that today. Y'all boys tune in. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, all that goodness. See y'all later. Bow. It'll be fun, Fred. Take a rip, Fred.
Now I'm on the side of the road.
Chris James, what the fuck?